Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how you could use File Explorer application. As you all know that there is an Internet Explorer and there is File Explorer. So both of the things are not same. Internet Explorer is a web browser just like Google Chrome or Firefox. And File Explorer is an app through which you could search files in your desktop or laptop. So right now I'm showing you the File Explorer app and how we could use it. So to go to the File Explorer, we have to write File Explorer. As you have seen that, I'm clicking on File Explorer. After entering into the File Explorer, you will see all the files that are actually available, the folders and files that are recently opened, all are available in your File Explorer home section. Then in the next tab there is a share option, and in the third tab there is a view option. So in the view option you could change your files sorting, or you can change the layout of your displaying files just like last. Currently it is in details mode. If you want, you could change into contents, you could change it into lists, small icons, titles, medium icons. If you click on the desktop, it will show the desktop's available files or icons. Now if we try to group it or sort it, you can do it in this way. You can click on the sort by, you write the name, it will sort by names. If you want to sort by size, then it will sort by size. Date created. In this way you can sort it using the different types of sorting options. There is also an option group by, so you can sort by group just like size. As you click on size, so based on the size it creates automatically 3 sections, and it mentions from which size applications are available in which section. You can click on item type, so it will make more groups for you. As you have seen, based on the file type it differentiates the files that are available there. Now if you try to search some files here, search desktop, so you can write the name of the file. If it's available, it will automatically will come. So for the time being we write Windows. As you have seen that the file that is available in desktop named as windows10.txt it's automatically figure out. So this is the text file available in the desktop section. So in this way, if we try to find someone, just invoice, so invoice sample, this is Excel file, it is available in desktop. So it could figure it out. So in this way we could use File Explorer to search files from different locations of our laptop or desktop. So I hope you can right now easily use this File Explorer app of Windows to search your files, to sorting your files. So thank you for watching this.